Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is that time of the month again. Not what you're thinking, it is Stitch Fix time, which is way more exciting than the other. But yeah, so this is going to be my second Stitch Fix unboxing and try on haul. So yeah, get comfy and let's get straight into it. I like to read the note before I look at any of the pieces, so even while I'm doing this, I'm like not looking at the stuff. I just want to read what my stylist said because I just think it's so cool that like we can correspond with like little notes. But let's see. So I think I have a voicemail and I'm wondering if it's from Von Mar because we were there earlier and there was this Ralph Lauren dress that I want to get for Harper, but they didn't have it in, so they were going to ship it to us. And I'm wondering if that was her. They left a voicemail, but let's get through this and then I'll check that. Priorities, right? All right, so this box, I really asked for a lot of fall pieces, like different kinds of cozy things and a lot of layering pieces because, you know, layering is like my thing. I love to layer even in July. So yeah, I'm really hoping for some of that. Oh my. Oh, very nice. So this is like a hoodie cardigan and it's in my favorite color. It's like a burgundy, but it's a little more purple than a classic burgundy, but it's still like beautiful. It's like a plummy burgundy. That's what we're gonna call it, a plummy burgundy. But it's super, super soft and I love that it has a hood because I have a million cardigans, but as far as like getting a new cardigan from Stitch Fix or Trunk Club, like the only ones that I'm really going to be interested in keeping this season are things that are different from what I already have. So I like the fact that it has a hood, so I'm excited to try that on and see how it looks with everything else. I already know what this piece is because I can tell from just looking at it like right here, but I've wanted this like as soon as I saw it on the app when I was like thumbs up or thumbs down, I thumbs this one up and I've seen it actually like 3 or 4 times in my feed and I've liked it every single time. Like it's this striped sweater and it's a super light material and then it has these little elbow patches which I think are just completely adorable. I am obsessed with them. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, no, that's just so cute and it's like that French style that I like, just like black and white stripes, super chic. This is perfect for fall and for layering and I'm super, super excited about this. Is basically if it looks good, like this is mine, like I'm keeping it. So yeah. All right, moving along. Oh, this is cute. This is different. I feel like I might not like it just because like I have a really large chest. Obviously, if you couldn't tell, if you've been watching my videos, you probably already know that. And so like anytime that there's like a ruffle on the sleeve or anything like going on up here, it's always like, it makes it even bigger. So it's like I usually can't get away with any ruffles. So we'll see about this because it is really cute. It's like a mesh material right here. So we'll see. And I'm honestly like not totally crazy about it, but it's soft and I'll give it a shot at least to try on. All right, so the next piece, let's see. Oh, this is cute. I love a good plaid and this is a really good one. And it's super cute because it doesn't button all the way down. It has like a, I don't know, it like stops right here. I really love this actually. And the plaid color is super, super cute. And it has a little button detail on the back. I really like this piece. Yeah, no, I like this a lot. All right, last thing. So this feels like cargo pants, but I think it's going to be a jacket. All right. So I have a lot of jackets like this already. From a few years ago when I worked at Old Navy and I bought all of them pretty much. But this is pretty cute. I don't have this color and it has a hood, which my other ones don't have a hood, but this is a really nice jacket. It has lots of pockets. And I can tell it's gonna be like super warm because it feels legitimately like cargo pants, like, which I do not want any of, but it's pretty cute. Yeah, it's pretty cute, and I like the buttons, and I like the hood. Yeah, I like that there's a hood. So, and the hood is removable, which is nice. I like that it's an option. All right, so that is everything that I got in my box this month. So I'm okay with the fact that there's no like, there's no accessories or shoes, because I really, like, I have a lot of shoes. I don't really need any more booties. I let them know, like, if they have any tall boots, I would be interested in trying those, but they said that they don't have any in their inventory, which is kind of weird. But no big deal, because I also said the same thing for my trunk club this month, so I'm interested to see if they have anything. But yeah, as far as booties go, I have too many pairs of booties. Like, I don't need another pair right now. And yeah, so I don't even care that I didn't get like accessories or anything. I would rather have more like outfit pieces. So let's go ahead and try this stuff on and see if any of it is going to be kept and added to my closet. All right, so here's the one with the ruffles. Sorry if it looks weird. I have my camera like in the bathroom facing out because I really need to like reorganize my bedroom and clean up stuff because I've been shopping a lot lately for fall. But I don't think this really does anything for me, and I'm not really obsessed with it. So honestly, I don't think it's really worth it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, but I'm probably not gonna keep this one. And then I'll let you know at the end how much everything costs, regardless if I'm keeping it or not. But I mean, it's cute, but it's just like, I'm not obsessed with it. So it's like, I don't really need it. So I'm gonna pass. So yeah, let's go to the next one. All right, so this one I'm really liking. The only thing that's kind of annoying is that this little detail, like where it ends, where I thought this was cute earlier, it like just kind of flaps there. And so it's like, I don't know, it's just kind of annoying. But it's a really light shirt. I like it. I don't know. I'm not obsessed with it. It's like a year ago, this totally would have been my style, but for some reason it's just like not, I don't know, it's just not striking a chord with me. It's not like, oh my gosh, I have to have it, even though it's cute. There's like nothing wrong with it. It's just not hitting me in the feels. And I like when I find new clothes that are like, oh my gosh, I need that, like where you have an emotional connection to it like immediately. If you couldn't tell, yes, I'm a very emotionally driven person. But anyway, so I'm probably gonna skip this one too. I have a lot of plaid button-ups, and even though this one's not really a button-up, it's kind of like a blousier shirt, it's just not really striking that chord with me, so I'm gonna pass on this one. But let's go into the next one because I am really excited for that one. Okay, you guys, so this one is giving me all the feels. I love the way it looks, I love the way it feels. It's super, super comfortable, and it has that super dope shoulder patch, which I'm a big fan of. So this one is definitely a winner. I'm so excited to layer with this one. It's gonna be perfect for fall and winter. I'm just loving it. So yeah, I'm now going to put on the cardigan that I got, and I normally wouldn't wear it with this, but I'm just gonna try it on with this because I have it on, and it was the last shirt that I had. So yeah, let me put that one on next. Okay, so here's the cardigan. It's really long. It goes down past my knees actually, so you can't see how long it is in this shot, but it is pretty long. And then it has the hood, and it makes me feel like an elf from Lord of the Rings. So not a huge fan of the hood, but I like that it's there. I think it adds a nice detail, even though like I'm not wearing it with the hood up. I think like I like that it's there, if that makes any sense. But yeah, so super light, super cozy. I think this would be more for like the end of summer going into fall, so like I could wear this like now, but yeah, I'm just not 100% on it. It's not, I don't know. I feel bad because I feel like I probably gave a thumbs up to all of this stuff on their app, but honestly, like it's just not giving me the feels that I want to have when I try on new clothes. So it's like, I really like it, it's cute, there's nothing wrong with it, but it's just not what I'm going for this season. I'm like kind of going for like chunky, thick sweaters and like, I don't know, just cozier stuff rather than like fitted chic stuff. It's like I'd rather be like cozy chic than like, I don't know, like I don't want to look like I'm trying because I'm not. You know what I mean? I feel like this is trying for me. Even though like I like it. Okay, I'm gonna stop. But now I'm gonna try on the jacket and then that will be it, and I'll let you guys know how much everything costs. Okay, you guys, so I kind of like this, but I hate that it like draws attention to how huge my boobs are, so I'm not gonna keep it, even though I know I can adjust these and make it looser, but then I feel like it would probably be too baggy. So even though I really like the color and all of it, I'm probably gonna pass on this as well, just because I don't need anything to make my boobs look even bigger than they already are. That's like the opposite of what I ever want to do, so I'm gonna pass on this one. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about all this, if you agree with me or if you disagree with me about what you think I should have kept or gotten rid of. But I'm definitely, I just hit my guitar, so if you heard the strum, it's from my guitar. Okay, so let's see how much everything costs. So the only thing that I'm keeping, I think, is this sweater, but it's like the cutest thing ever, so I have to have it. But anyway, so, oh my gosh, the hooded cardigan is $88. That's actually really surprising because I wouldn't pay that much for it, honestly. Wait, it says gray. It's not gray, it's like burgundy. Oh, that's for the coat. Okay. Okay. It cuts off at CAR and it just says hooded CAR, so I thought it was like hooded cardigan, but it's not. It's the coat. So the coat is $88, not keeping that. And then the cardigan, the burgundy one, was $58, which I feel like is pretty fair. And then this top is $58 as well, which I feel like it should be like around $45, but that's just me being picky, I guess. But I'm still gonna keep it because it's just wonderful. And then the ruffle top is $44, which honestly to me that shirt was like a $25 top. I really didn't care for that too much at all. And then the Henley top, oh, the plaid is $48. So yeah, if I would have got everything with my $20 discount and the 25% buy all code, it would have come to $202 even, but I'm just gonna be buying this one top, so it is $58. Yeah, $58. So this box was okay. Honestly, I think I'm probably gonna stop doing Stitch Fix just because I'm doing Trunk Club and I get notes, like I get all my points from Nordstrom when I buy anything from there, so to me it's just kind of like a no-brainer. It's like, well, why wouldn't I do something that benefits me in another way as well? And I feel like, I don't know, I like the correspondence better with Trunk Club because I can like talk to my stylist, like I can just message her and she'll like message me right back. So yeah, I'm probably gonna film my Trunk Club when that comes in for this month. If you guys are interested in that, let me know below because I don't want to keep making videos that you guys like aren't interested in, but I really like these kinds of videos. I like watching them to see what other people are getting and what other people's stylists like plan out for them. So that's why I made this and that's why I made the other one. But yeah, let me know below if you agree with my choices, like to keep this top and none of the other ones, or if you think that I'm being a little crazy and I should have kept everything. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. I'm changing my schedule. I tried to post 3 times a week, but I really want my content to be more elevated, so I'm gonna go down to posting 2 times a week, and I'm thinking Tuesdays and Thursdays, but that's not in stone right now. That's just kind of like where my head's at, so definitely make sure that you're subscribed and you hit that bell so that you get notified when I have new videos posted. But thanks again so much for coming to my channel, you guys. I love every single one of you for watching, and definitely let me know if you're new to this channel so I can say hi in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.